Have you been looking for a quick and easy vlogging setup? I've got the perfect setup for you. What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode of What the F Stop. Today we're going to be talking about a quick and easy vlogging setup. I actually got this idea from Potato Jet, so I will leave a link to the video that he made about this setup down in the description section below. But I made a few videos about the DJI Osmo Action. I really don't use it as much as I probably should. It's a really cool camera. One of the downsides that you are going to have with shooting with the DJI Osmo Action or any kind of action camera is you're not going to have as great video quality as you would if you're shooting with like a Sony A7R, or if you're shooting with the A6400 or a Canon or something like that. If you're shooting something with the larger sensor, you're not going to get that great of video quality. It's just the comparison is just not, there's no comparison with it. But on the good side, this is a very quick and easy vlogging setup. If you are on the go, if you're traveling, if you're doing different action type things, if you are trying to film some B-roll sequences and you want to have the camera in like odd places and different things like that, or if you just want to have a quick, easy vlogging setup, this is a really awesome setup for you. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of everything that is on this vlogging setup. Elise?
Yes, TJ?
Give me the setup.
This easy vlogging setup consists of the DJI Osmo Action camera. To house this action cam, we also have equipped the PGY Tech camera cage. To round off this setup, we are using the Rode Video Go wireless microphone for portability and ease of use with a small compact setup. Elise is now offline.
All right, so I'm going to break down each and every little piece that goes with this, and I'm also going to show you some alternatives that you can use with this setup. I'm going to show you this setup as is. So the first part that you need, of course, is the action camera. It doesn't necessarily have to be the DJI Osmo Action. That's just the camera that I have. But you can use a GoPro Hero or any kind of action camera for this setup. Now, I have the DJI Osmo Action, and it is coupled with the PGY Tech cage. So what the cage does is it allows you to have the camera on there, and you don't have to keep taking the camera out of the cage to do things such as put in your SD card or charger or anything like that. You can do everything while the cage is on. Another good thing about this cage is that it does have a cold shoe mount on the top, so you can connect things such as the Rode Wireless Go on top of that. Now, another alternative that you can use for this is the Rode Video Micro. So that is the smaller version of like a shotgun mic, and I'll show you that here in just a moment. It is coupled with the Joby suction cup. So this is really cool, especially if you are doing filming things like in a car, or if you're filming something, or if you want to connect this to the side of a window and you want to have kind of a cool shot, you can do that with this setup. This is quick and easy. You just push it on there, and you twist that little thing right there, and it's suction onto whatever smooth surface that you have it on. Now, I've actually used this to vlog with, in terms of just setting it down on the table and turning on that suction cup and having it facing towards me. So in order to have the really good audio quality that you probably want to have in your videos, is you have to get this little audio adapter. So there is a variation for this for different action cameras. There's one for the GoPro Hero, but this one right here is for the DJI Osmo Action. It's actually the Sonova audio adapter. I was kind of skeptical of it working at first because I bought so many adapters and they didn't work. But this one actually does work really well. The cool thing about this is that with the cage connected, you can actually just take this on and off, and you can actually access the USB-C and the SD card slot, so you don't have to actually take anything off in order to connect or disconnect this. And then also, you do have to take the door off to use this setup, but as long as you're not getting it wet or anything like that, it should be fine. Another cool thing is while you have this connected and you have your audio connected, you can actually connect your power to this as well, so you can charge it as well as use the audio adapter all at the same time. So that's really neat. So you don't have to take anything off to charge the camera. The PGY Tech cage also features a second cold shoe mount here on the side. So if you want to mount something else to the side right here, like a light or something like that, you could mount that to the side, and that really does up your quality. I know that a lot of times when I'm filming with the DJI Osmo Action, my lighting is not always the greatest, you know, especially when I'm over at my store. It's kind of dim in there a little bit, and the video gets kind of grainy when it gets dim like that. But you can have a light on here, so I'm going to get a little bit, maybe like a little halo light or a little light on the side that I can actually connect. Now, I do have this Sudi photo light that I may be able to attach some kind of way, but that'll kind of that'll probably make it a little bit bigger than what I actually want to make it. This whole setup is about being compact and easy. So the Rode Wireless Go is a really great option for having awesome audio and not having like a big, huge, bulky microphone on top of your camera. So if you've not seen the video about the Rode Wireless Go, I'll put a link to it in the description, also in the cards up here at the top. But the Rode Wireless Go essentially allows you to have a wireless microphone connected to yourself, and it's in this very small package. So this is the transmitter, and then there's another part that looks exactly like this. That's the receiver. So you have that on your person, and you can have a lav mic, and you actually have really great audio. So that's the way I've been using it, is with the lav mic. You can just clip the Rode Wireless Go to your shirt or something like that, but I always just have the lav mic because it's easier and it looks a lot better on film. All right, so I'm going to give you some extra options that you can use instead of the Rode Wireless Go. So this is the Rode Video Micro. So it's a very small shotgun mic. This microphone is very similar to the Rode NTG. It's a little bit smaller, but what I really like about this is the small footprint. So, you know, if you can connect this to the side or you can connect this to the front, and even with this and that, it's still a very small package, you know, especially if you're doing vlogging, if you're looking at making a video, but you don't want to have like a big, huge camera out. This is a really good option for that. So the links will be in the description section below if you want to check any of these things out. Now I'm going to give you some other alternatives that I use for this as well. So one of the other ways that I use this is with this little setup here. So it's a little bit longer, but what I really like about this is, especially if you are doing different shots and you need to have some different angles, or if you need to set this down on a tabletop and you don't want it to topple over. I bought one of these little tripod stands. Now these are the tripod stands that comes with like a DJI, with the DJI Ronin S or DJI Ronin SC. Actually, this may be the one. Yeah, this is the one from the DJI Ronin SC. But you can purchase one of these little tripods on Amazon. I'll put them in the links below. But when you connect it to this little telescoping tripod, you know, you can have a short section, or you can loosen that and you can raise it up. You can raise it up a little bit. Actually have this connected to a ball head, so I can get, you know, 360 movement with this as well. And I can get a bunch of different angles with this setup. It's very light. You can also put that in selfie mode if you want to, and use it that way as well. So like I said, I'll leave links to everything with this setup in the description section below. So I'm going to show you a couple of clips that I shot with this setup for my other channel, so you can kind of see what the audio sounds like and what the video looks like, and you can see if you want to pick it up yourself. I believe that April's already over at the store packing some orders, so we'll catch up with her. April's going to start doing some vlogs, so it would be cool like seeing her do some vlogs and talking to y'all about some different stuff. So if y'all have questions about anything, just put them down in the comment section below and we'll try to answer those questions. I've seen a couple people have sent me messages on Instagram and some of my social media sites. So if you have any questions, like I said, just send them to me and I'll try to get you an answer. But hopefully we'll be able to open back up soon. Here's April. I told them that you was vlogging.
It's a real life show.
So that is going to be it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button if you would like to. It really helps the channel out. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.